Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So Samsung has launched their mid-range smartphone with the M31 Prime Edition. Announcement and sales begin with October 17, 2 days after introducing the Galaxy M31 and the M31s in February and July respectively. Samsung today announced the Galaxy M31 with a Prime Edition thanks to Amazon.in. We know its specs and price already, but the Korean tech giant made thing official today and revealed the phone a sale date. The Galaxy M31 Prime Edition come in a single 6GB with 128GB memory configuration, priced at $225 and €190, and has a three color option: auction blue, space black, and iceberg blue. Amazon says there is 64GB variant as well, but it's not mentioned in Samsung's press release or in its official Indian website. The Galaxy M31 Prime Edition will go on a sale in India for October 17th through Samsung's online store, Amazon.in, and selected retail store across the country, but Amazon Prime member will get a chance to buy it a day early. The Samsung Galaxy M31 Prime Edition shares the internal and design with the Galaxy M31, meaning you get an Exynos 9611 SoC and 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. There is 32 megapixel selfie camera and 64 megapixel quad camera on the back of the Android 10 based One UI 2.1 running phone. You also get a rear mounted fingerprint reader and big 6000 mAh battery with 15-watt charging, and the Prime Edition come in one new color, iceberg blue, and a complimentary 3-month Amazon Prime subscription as well. Additionally, the Galaxy M31 Prime Edition come with an always-on Amazon shopping app, which offers quick access to product on Amazon with a right swipe on the home screen. Based, the smartphone come pre-installed with a dedicated folder that contain popular Amazon ecosystem apps such as Amazon Shopping, Amazon Prime Video, Prime Music, Kindly, and Audible. We believe this way the phone is called Prime Edition. So this is the Galaxy latest M31 Prime Edition. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this mid-range smartphone, and also price is really cheap. So let me know in the comment section. Also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.